hell is wrong with you people? Okay guys, I haven't had to do one of these for a while. I haven't really felt the strong urge to put up another Don't Be a Jerk video until today. So, okay. For the last few weeks, maybe a little longer, but I'm going to say the last few weeks has been really stupid. We know there's a virus out there. World Health Organization says it's a pandemic now. Gotcha. Like the regular influenza is not a pandemic every freaking year, guys. It kills more people every year, but nobody ever talks about that. We got a new one that does less damage overall, and everybody loses their minds. Anyway, it is what it is. That's fine. But with the fear of whatever, quarantine, the fear of getting the virus, what are people the most afraid of? Running out of toilet paper and hand sanitizer. Folks, hand sanitizer ain't gonna do you a damn bit of good if you don't let somebody else have some too. You can keep yourself hand sanitized all day long, but if there's a big, huge part of the population that doesn't have any and can't use it, then you're just mucking up the cycle. Toilet paper. Seriously? Toilet paper. Guys, there's no shortage on toilet paper, at least there wasn't, because of the virus. Want to know why there's a shortage of toilet paper? Because you keep hoarding it! Holy crap, stop hoarding toilet paper, guys. It's been at least 2 weeks since we bought any toilet paper. In our household, we buy a pretty decent sized pack, you know, because why go buy it every 5, 6, 7 days? You know, we buy it for usually at least 3 weeks worth, just because we have a decent sized household. My wife does daycare, so that goes through a little extra toilet paper. Okay. Today would have been the day to go out and get some. Not one dollar store, not one grocery store, not one Walmart. Nowhere could I find toilet paper. I mean, it was nuts. I mean, look at this. But thankfully, I had a little bit of mindset to go look in another spot in Walmart and found toilet paper. I'm almost afraid to say it because people will go ape and clear that shelf too. Not that there's a lot there to begin with. Bottom line, guys, the only reason there's a shortage is because you guys are hoarding it. Stop it. That virus does not get carried in toilet paper like you say. You know, oh, toilet paper is made in China. No, it's not, first of all. Knock it off. We went through this same crap with ammunition when Obama was elected president. Morons. Stop it. Everybody's so paranoid about shit running out. Now everybody's sitting there on a mountain of ammunition for nothing. You know, buying a couple $1,000s worth of ammunition or a couple $100s worth of toilet paper at one time, you know, clearing the shelves, that is ridiculous. And as far as hand sanitizer goes, and yes, this is a shameless plug, soap. And you don't need antibacterial either because A, antibacterial kills the good bacteria too. B, this is not a bacteria, this is a virus. So, water, clean running water, soap, regular soap, and wash your effing hands. Just wash your hands a lot, regular. Stay on top of it. You know, a little bit of bleach for your countertops and around the areas, you know, doorknobs, stuff like that. That's what we're going to do in our shop. You know, little bleach on the rag and wipe down the door handles and the edge of the shelves and things like that. You know, hand sanitizer is great for when you're out and about and you can't get to soap and water and things like that. That's fine. Otherwise, hand sanitizer really isn't going to do you any better. Now, you want to put on a pair of latex gloves and keep your hands off your face? All right. Now you've just increased your odds of staying clean, you know, virus free. That helps. But seriously, don't go hoarding rubber gloves, guys. Latex gloves, nitrile gloves, vinyl gloves, whatever. Don't hoard them. It's stupid. You want to know what really makes this virus bad? I mean, seriously, the media. The media plays on your fears, and it plays things up and blows them way out of proportion. Am I saying this virus is a good thing? No. It's bad. But it's no worse than the flu, influenza. Listen, we've got to work together on this stuff, guys. Otherwise, all you do is you leave room for people to gouge us on toilet paper and hand sanitizer and things like that. But, another shameless plug. We're going to do the exact opposite. We're not going to gouge. We're going to take most of the stuff, pretty much everything on our site is going to go on sale. We're going to go ahead and knock our regular soaps down 25% right off the bat. We have a coupon code out for spring right now, a 10% coupon. We're gonna kill that coupon code, and we're just gonna knock everything down to 75% of its original price, and have at it. Use soap. So go ahead and visit the website, check it out. If you got any questions, shoot me an email or leave comments down below here. But this will serve a couple purposes. One, it'll allow those who prefer handmade soap to be able to get handmade soap at a really good price. And two, it'll keep you from having to come to the store. So if you live semi-local, anywhere within an hour and a half of the store, that's what I consider semi-local, you can actually buy it online and have it shipped if you're afraid of going outside or into stores or touching anything that the masses have touched, like door handles and things like that. The bottom line is, stop being paranoid. Stop taking every little bit of news and blowing it way out of proportion. I thought we would have learned our lesson over the years, but evidently not. People still do it when it's, hey, we might get 3 or 4 inches of snow tonight. Holy crap, everybody loses their minds then too, and they go out and they kill toilet paper, milk, eggs, bread. Really, guys? So those of us that would normally be doing our shopping somewhere around that time period are screwed because you guys hoard things. So, all right, guys, I needed to ramble about that for a few minutes. This is just, touch my face again. Whatever. Screw it. While I'm at it, let's do another shameless plug. Check out my other channel here, Uncle Reddit, where we narrate funny Reddit stories. All right, not all of them are funny, but most of them are funny, or at least ironic. Great. Guess we're going to have to go back to using the pages out of the Sears catalog. Sears catalog's online. Now you got to set up a bucket system so that you can take your wiping paper and put it in a honey bucket. Good luck with that, guys.